One of the key trends that we're noticing here at the OCCS is the number of issues that finish up with us where the consumer has an eye examination in one practice and then chooses to have their spectacles dispensed somewhere else, which of course they are entirely entitled to do. But undoubtedly it creates a bit more complexity and it's a bit more challenging trying to unravel where the responsibility rests. I guess my key advice and insight in this that could help us and to help you is as follows. When prescribing, I am surprised at the number of prescriptions I see where the vertex distance hasn't been recorded, and I'm sure this has an issue in some of the difficult non-tolerance cases that sometimes emerge. And again, it is easier to resolve if the prescription is dispensed in-house, but that may not always be the case. So please, can we make sure that the vertex distance goes on the prescription where that's appropriate? I do often get asked about the question about PDs and is it a legal obligation to put that on the prescription? It isn't. So rest assured you're not legally obliged to put a PD on the prescription. But there's no doubt that the issue about where the responsibility rests in terms of having an eye examination in one practice and a dispensing somewhere else is a tricky one. And I'm absolutely delighted to let you know that the OCCS have been working with the Optical Confederation, who are now really taking the lead to come up with some advice and guidance about how we resolve this. So please watch out in the optical press and through your professional bodies, as they will be publishing guidance to really try and bring some consistency and a pragmatic approach across the profession to help us resolve these situations much quicker and much more appropriately to help the consumer. And finally, please remember the OCCS is here for you, the clinicians and the colleagues working in optical practice, as well as the consumers. We're here to help. We're here to resolve issues and to help to mediate some what can be difficult situations. So please use us with that spirit. And hopefully by doing so, we can help you and help the sector by avoiding some of the lower level consumer complaints escalating into something more serious. So please use us in that spirit. I look forward to working with you in the coming weeks and months and hopefully seeing some of you out on the CET circuit during 2015. Thank you very much.